In this video, I'll be talking about the after takeoff checklist, which includes these two questions. So the first question is, have the takeoff been reviewed and are they accurate? And the second question is, have you used the takeoff browser to back check the data resulting from the takeoff program? So for the first question, so once you finish the takeoff program, did you send a copy of the data in the Excel file to the necessary recipients, which mainly includes the estimator and the sales BIM manager? And have you had meeting to review those results? And that's how you find out if those results are accurate, is through that meeting. And basically the estimator will tell you if those numbers are close enough to be considered accurate, or if they're far too off, that you need to go back to the sales model and figure out what's wrong. So basically the estimator will tell you if the quantities right here differs largely from his, and if the total weight right here differs largely from his. But however, if the weight and these quantities are so close to what he estimated, then your data is accurate. Now for the second question, have you used the Takeoff browser to back check the data resulting from the Takeoff program? So mainly I use the Takeoff browser to check my infills, which is glass, and basically I use this data right here, as you can see, to double check with the glass data that I got from the Takeoff, which is usually right here. So basically I would minimize the Excel and then compare the quantities of this. So right now they're not in alphabetical order, but if I click on type, then they'll be in alphabetical order. So for the first one, 10, 35, 100. So the first three I know are correct, and then I'll continue checking. 36, 5. So basically you'll do this for all the glass types and double check on them here. And that's one way to check. You can't really check the extrusions right here, since they don't really, the sales model doesn't really give out any data for the sales, for the extrusions, sorry. So mainly I use the Takeoff browser to check the